welcome to another video. My name is Nigel, also known as a Lake Area Vlogger, and as you can tell from this video, I am already on the lake. In fact, I'm actually filming another video and I managed to capture this particular vessel entering the Welland Canal, so I had to chase it. And then I made the video of the other ship, which was really after, which was the John D Lietch. So anyway, not to waste the footage, I thought I'd put it out there. So anyway, this is the MV Federal Shimanto, which belongs to fed-nav. And she's just come in from Gdansk, which is a port in the Baltic Sea in Poland, and she's en route to Burns Harbor, Indiana in the United States. So I managed to catch up with her here, coming off Lake Ontario and entering the Welland Canal at Port Weller. The Federal Shimanto is 190 meters in length, which is 624 feet, and she has a beam of 23 meters, which is 77 feet, and she has a gross tonnage of 19,167 tons. Beside me here is the Federal Shimanto, and she's making her way into the Welland Canal off Lake Ontario as she starts her journey upbound towards Lake Erie. A journey is going to take about 12 hours. So this is where the John D Lietch and the Shimanto actually pass one another, just here in Port Weller, as John D Lietch comes out of Lock 1, and the Shimanto is making her way in there. So anyway, this part of the video actually featured on the John D Lietch video I made, but I'll leave it in this one as well, because it's actually quite a cool shot, I think, so enjoy. Well folks, right in the heart of the action here. Two ships passing one another here at Port Weller. So Federal Shimanto is now going to head off into the Welland Canal, and we're going to follow the John D Lietch as she makes her way out into Lake Ontario, and she makes her way down to Hamilton.